Hey everyone, it's David from Aesthetic Solutions coming at you on a beautiful Friday here in Atlanta, Georgia. Today's tip or information to help you become more profitable is creating a maintenance program for the patients. So many facilities we find will get patients to a very good point and then they just seem to fade away. What we recommend is you bring them in, take before pictures, of course, take after pictures. When they get to a very good place, that is the exact and precise time to talk to them about a maintenance program. Sometimes they'll look a little puzzled and they'll say maintenance, and we say yes, maintenance, because we want to keep what we've achieved. We worked very hard. We don't want to let that go. And they'll agree with that. So the way you set that up, and it's going to be a little bit different for each patient. Some patients need to come in once a month, others every other. Again, it will vary. But you set that up for them to, again, keep the look that they've attained with you. And you give them an option to have a yearly rate if they commit, 6 months, and a quarter. Nothing less than that. And you can give them a little bit of a break on pricing if they sign up for a year, 6 months, a quarter. That way you can do a monthly charge, and that's what we recommend. It's best to break it down so that it's manageable and affordable for them. Once you get to around 20 to 30 patients, it gets to where your software should start doing it with an electronic fund transfer. And the goal here is to have as many maintenance patients as possible. When it starts to get up to 70, 100 or more, you start seeing the money and it becomes, again, very profitable. Okay, so that's our information for today. And we thank you for taking this time. Have a great day.